Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hey there, we're looking at chapter 4, number 4 here, and we are pulling on a box up a ramp, and the ramp's angled at 20 degrees, but we actually don't care about that. The force is making a 30-degree angle with the ramp itself. And the question is, how hard do we have to pull at that angle to get 60 newtons of force parallel to the ramp? So this red vector here is the component of that pull force that is parallel to the ramp. So we really just have a nice little right triangle right here, a 30-degree angle between the hypotenuse and the side adjacent. So side adjacent, hypotenuse, we're using cosine. So the cosine of the angle, which is 30 degrees, is going to be the side adjacent. We want that to be 60 divided by the hypotenuse. That's this pull force F. So solving for F, multiplying both sides by F, dividing by cos 30, we end up with 60 divided by the cosine of 30. So how hard do we have to pull? We got to pull at 69.3 newtons. So F equals 69.3 newtons. And this was part A of the problem, by the way. Part B says, what is the component perpendicular to the ramp if you are pulling at that same force? So now we are looking for Fy, this component over here. So this is, if we call it F, let's call it F parallel for that. So then part B, looking for now the opposite side of our right triangle, looking for Fy. So we have opposite, we have adjacent. Let's go crazy and use the tangent, because the tangent of our 30-degree angle is equal to the side opposite, Fy, divided by the side adjacent, which is 60 newtons. So solving for Fy, we got 60 times tan of 30, and that's going to equal Fy. And throwing that in the calculator, make sure you're in degree mode because your angle is measured in degrees. So you're going to get 34.6 newtons, and probably maybe best to call that F perpendicular. How about, because that's the component perpendicular to the ramp. All right, so let's see, makes sense. Our hypotenuse is the longest side of our triangle, 69.3 newtons, and the shortest leg should be 34.6, which is less than our longer leg, 60 newtons. There it is.